Hey guys, oh my gosh, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, look what happened yesterday. So yesterday, if you guys don't know, Hurricane Irma, it just happened yesterday night. Oh my god, look at the aftermath of this. Look at all of those branches. Oh my gosh. My car didn't get damaged, right, Mom? No. Oh my gosh. Look, there's a branch right there. Like, oh, look at that thing fell off. Want to go see it?
No, it didn't fall off.
Yeah, look, that power post. I don't know if you guys could see it or not, but let's go. Right now, it is freezing out here, and we're in Florida. That's like an 80% chance of having that thing, of having to be cold here. Really. That car is so unlucky if that actually got hit. Our car's right there. Didn't get any damage at all. Literally, there's nothing on our car. Imagine trying to clean this up. That'd be like trying to climb a mountain.
Go down to the lake and see if there's bike house.
Yeah, let's go. Our power went out, so that sucks. But you guys won't be seeing this in for a while. What's up, guys?
Hey, the sun's out.
Yeah, the sun's out at least.
Trying.
Yeah. I kind of want to go see the park. I really want to go see the park after this. After this, let's go see the park and see if it got wrecked. Oh, I should know where she is. Yeah. So, wind blowing me everywhere. Dude, it's like half the road is covered with grass. Like you literally have to drive on all grass. Like most of the branches dried up the rain. That's how bad it was. Oh my gosh. Bro. Oh my god. Look at all of this stuff. Dude. This is like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh, I have to like step in spots that they don't have anything. Yeah, that's like impossible now. I don't even care. Oh my gosh, I'm surprised people are actually out walking. It's like 7. It's like 8 or 8:30 or 8. I don't know. But there's a lot of people walking outside right now. See, there's like 4 people there, and they're all along there. I don't know. But right now, dude, this is like the lake. It actually doesn't have that much. I want to see if across the lake there's like a neighborhood that we used to live in. I want to see if like, oh, where did my cut? Jump! Oh. There's a little puddle there. I don't want to step in that yucky stuff. Ew. Imagine walking in here in bare feet, bro. You'd probably die. Or your foot got cut off. Cause look at these. There's a spiky thing right there. And like there's like hundreds of them everywhere. Oh my gosh, there is white caps right now. Okay, look at the insane thing. This used to be a volleyball court. It looks like an 8, like literally. Circle right there. Circle right there. What is this? Bruh, this isn't even Florida no more. This is like Utah. You know how Utah freaking rains a lot? That is a giant puddle. That is a giant puddle. And then here is the white cap. See, look. There's people. 9 people, right? See you guys in a bit. Okay, we're back. Dude, like, oh my gosh, like I'm literally getting pulled away by the wind, like it's cloudy, it's cold, and it's freaking dirty here. Like that's never the thing here. In Florida, it's always clean, it's always not cloudy, it's always sunny and hot, and it's never breezy or cold. That's the thing. It's kind of weird because like this is like I've never seen or heard anything like this. I've only lived for 10 years, so yeah. Morning. That dog overhead. That dog was so cute. Like literally so cute. Like look at this. Like if you could see on my face right now, like it's literally blowing off me right now. Like you can actually see it. Like look at my hoodie right now. Like that's like okay, hold on, let me take off my hoodie. Look at my hair. Dude, that's how windy it is. Like it's never been that windy at all in Florida. Because like it's usually, like I said, it's usually just warm. Alright, so I'm gonna turn you guys back over. Yo, this is the path right here, right? Just goes on. You can't even get across from here. You can't even get across. Luckily, I'm wearing freaking sweatpants so I don't get prickled. That was a smart idea. See, like this is the, like, if you guys live in Florida, you guys know how freaking, oh my god, I almost tripped and died. Look at this dog park. Like, all the trees are just trees. They don't even have leaves on them. Like, there's at least 1 million leaves. Like, maybe even more. Like, I don't even know, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo, you can't even see the path. You have to like step on the stuff. I know, just a clear path, you know, sort of, not a lot. And then, how are we gonna get across? Like you can't even see it. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys could see it while I'm walking here. It's just, oh my god, a lot of leaves here. Yeah, I'm gonna look at the park and see what happened to the park, bro. I swear, like the whole park got, see look, this is the trail right now. It's covered in leaves. Like why? Like why? And our power went out, so yeah, that sucks. Oh my god, I can't wait to look at the park. I swear, if nothing happened to the park, that's like God. God did that. Like how is the park? Well, okay. There's very even little leaves on both of the parks. There's a little one. Whoops, there's a little one, and then there's a big one for big kids. Oh my gosh. Like, look at me. Dude, the wind is blowing that way. If I take off my hoodie. Gosh. Yeah. So that's life right now. And there's like 12 trees, and there's like one little pile of leaves. Like what? What is happening right now? Like I'm literally blowing away. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, I don't know how people drive now. Like you don't even need to drive. 2017, boy. What the heck? Okay, yeah, there's leaves on the ground, but look, right now, look at everything. Look at everything. Look at everything. I'm catching this on camera. Look at everything moving. Everything was like freaking, see? Look, nothing happened to the park. And nothing happened to the little one too, which is even non-sturdier. So I don't know how the park did not just get blown away by the winds, because they were at least 120 miles per hour winds last night, and our power went out. So this was like the only day I get to record this, because like I don't want to get killed and I don't want to get injured. I'd rather get killed suddenly than get killed in pain. So if I'm gonna get killed right now, I get killed without pain. Like that can happen. There's Mom. Hey, Mom. Okay. We're just walking around. I'm actually, Mom, did you think people were gonna be outside right now besides those two people that we saw? I know, we saw like a lot. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.